Welcome to the Wise Guides. I'm Evie. I'm your host, and I'm also a first-gen professional with over a decade of experience in corporate HR. I'm here to provide you with practical guides on how to increase your wealth and your happiness at work. Whether you're feeling like an imposter in that new job, juggling a million responsibilities, or just trying to get your foot in the door, this is your space to find real, no BS advice, hear from people who have already been there, and maybe even laugh a little along the way. So grab your coffee or your glass of wine, settle in, and let's dive into today's topic. You are exactly where you need to be. Today's episode is all about recovering after a career setback. Setbacks can come in many forms, whether it's a job loss, a failure at work, or not getting that promotion. It can be very disheartening, but setbacks don't have to define you. We all experience them, we're all human, and we're all learning in this career journey. In fact, these setbacks can actually be the perfect opportunity for growth and for reinvention. In this episode, we're going to talk about the practical steps in order to bounce back and actually come out stronger. First, let's talk about the emotional impact of a career setback. They're really hard. Feelings of disappointment, frustration, and even anger are completely natural reactions. You may experience self-doubt or feel like you've completely failed. And the first step to recovery is acknowledging these emotions and giving yourself the space and grace to process them. It's important that you understand that setbacks are just part of the journey. They don't mean it's the end of the journey. After processing your emotions, it's important to reflect on the setback itself. Ask yourself, what went wrong? Was there a specific reason for the setback? Were there external factors that were out of your control? Reflecting back on the root cause can help you gain clarity. Number 2 is, what can I learn? Every setback holds a lesson. What can you learn from this experience that can help you in the future? Whether it's improving a specific skill or shifting your approach, viewing the setback as a learning opportunity is key. Now let's get into the practical steps of how to actually recover from a career setback. Number 1 is to set new goals. Once you've reflected, it's time to set new, realistic goals. Start small if necessary. If your setback was a job loss, focus on updating your resume, on networking, on applying for new roles. It's even maybe an opportunity to pivot into a new industry. Number 2 is you want to seek support. Don't hesitate to lean on your support network. This is why it's so important to have a wisdom circle. Whether it's family, friends, mentors, whoever it might be, having a group of people that you can talk to that can provide you encouragement and advice is key. You might even consider talking to a career coach for any professional guidance that you need on this journey after the setback. Number 3 is reframing the setback. Instead of viewing the setback as a failure, try to reframe it and look at it as a redirection. Often setbacks push us towards new opportunities that maybe we wouldn't have considered otherwise. Career setbacks shake your confidence, but rebranding is actually possible. Career setbacks can shake your confidence, but rebuilding is really possible. Here's how. Number 1 is you want to focus on your strengths. Take time to reflect on your accomplishments and the skills that got you this far. Write them down if it helps. You are more than your setback. There are many opportunities and many tools that are out there that you can take to assess what some of your strengths are that can help you better understand what you're actually good at. And you want to make sure you're reflecting on your achievements log. There's one available on workwiseguide.com, available for free, and it's also included in the show notes for easy access. Number 2 is you want to celebrate small wins. As you work towards recovery, celebrate even the smallest victories. Each step forward, whether it's a successful job interview or learning a new skill, all of that deserves recognition. Number 3 is you want to visualize success. Visualization is so powerful. It helps you boost your confidence. Picture yourself succeeding in your next role or achieving your next career goal. This positive shift in your mindset can help you stay motivated. For a deep dive into overcoming setbacks, I can recommend Ryan Holiday's book, The Obstacle is the Way. Based on the philosophy of Stoicism, this book emphasizes turning challenges into opportunities for growth. It's an important and empowering read for anybody dealing with adversity, reminding us that obstacles often lead us to our greatest achievements. Once you reflected and rebuilt your confidence, now it's time to take action. Here's how. Number one is you want to upskill. Take this opportunity to gain new skills or certifications that are going to make you more competitive in the job market. You want to network. You want to reach out to your professional network or your wisdom circle. Let people know that you're on the market and that you're looking for new opportunities. Once you've reflected and rebuilt your confidence, it's time to take action. And here's how. Number one is you want to upskill. You want to take this opportunity to gain new skills or any certifications that are going to help you become more competitive in the job market. Number two is you want to network. Reach out to your professional network. You can find out your personality type for networking in the show notes. You want to let people know that you're back on the market or that you're looking for new opportunities. Many career opportunities actually come from strong networks. Number three is job applications and interviews. Apply for jobs with the mindset that you're learning from every single interview you have and the entire application process. Keep refining your pitch and don't let rejections hold you back. Every no gets you closer to the right yes. Setbacks don't have to define your career. They can be stepping stones to something even greater. Remember to take the time to reflect and really understand your emotions. Really answer some of those questions we talked about at the beginning. Take some time to rebuild your confidence. It's important to have confidence before you start taking meaningful action forward. And just like that, you've received your dose of work wisdom. I hope you're walking away with something that makes you feel a little bit more confident, a little bit more seen, and a whole lot more capable. Remember that the journey is yours. There's no one right way to do it, and it's okay to take it one step at a time. If today's topic hit home for you and you're thinking you can use a little extra support, I'd love to chat one-on-one. Head over to the show notes so you can figure out how to book some time with me. And if you enjoyed hanging out with me, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future episodes. And if you're feeling a little generous, please leave a quick review. It can help more people like us find the show. Plus, I'd love to hear what you think. Let's keep the conversation going. Follow me on Instagram at WorkWiseGuide.